Hello and welcome. Today, we're addressing a common challenge in software and IT teams that is navigating the complexity of manually interpreting long-form functional requirement documents. Whether written by business analysts or product managers, these documents often contain critical system behavior expectations, but translating them into actionable test cases is time-consuming, error-prone, and inconsistent. By leveraging AI, Copilot for DevOps enables your teams to automatically extract structured, high-quality test scenarios directly from unstructured functional documentation. Here we have a work item in Azure DevOps. This could be any document defining a new feature or system module. In this example, we've pasted a functional requirements document describing a user access management module directly into the work item description. Next, we call upon Copilot for DevOps. Using the Elicit function, the system instantly suggests test suites, test cases, and other work items, ensuring nothing critical is missed during validation. For this, let's start by eliciting test suites. Click on the Generate button. Copilot generates test suite suggestions based on the context of your input. On the left-hand side, we see a list of suggested suite titles. When we select a test suite, the right-hand side shows a preview of the detailed description. If it looks good, we click Create Linked Work Item and define the relationship type, say, Child or Related. Once created, each test suite now has its own work item ID in Azure DevOps. Let's drill into one of these test suites to generate test cases. From the Create drop-down menu, select Test Cases and click on the Generate button. Just like before, Copilot analyzes the input and suggests specific validation steps aligned to the requirement. You can select all, a few, or click See More to generate additional suggestions. These remain editable until you choose to add them. Again, you can click on Create Linked Work Items to add these test cases into the Azure backlog. And of course, you can continue on to generate additional test suites or integration test cases to build a complete, structured validation hierarchy directly from your requirement document. Now, let's switch over to the Azure Boards view. Here, you can see all the work items we just generated, including test suites and their associated test cases. They're automatically organized and linked, and ready for test planning and execution. This leads to better test coverage, reduced manual effort, and improved collaboration between QA, product, and development teams, all within Azure DevOps. If you're ready to turn static documents into executable validation flows, try Copilot for DevOps in Azure DevOps and discover how AI-powered requirement generation can transform your testing strategy.